Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a quick test using EP.
To assign an assessment, click on the Assessments tab at the top of your dashboard. This will show any current or upcoming assessments that you have set for your students. Click Assign. Here you will be given two options: a quiz, which is an automatically marked and dynamic assessment based on EP lessons and lists. This will allow you to easily create pre- and post-test and revision quizzes. Or, by clicking Assign an Assessment, you will be given a range of pre-made or custom-made by you assessment options. Today we are going to assign a quiz.
Under Who, select what class you would like to assign this assessment to. By clicking Assign to specific students, you can select or deselect students accordingly. Clicking on What will automatically open our content library, where you can select as many lessons as you like. The Preview button allows you to review the content before you assign it to your students. For a quick test, it will remove all of the information and long answer slides from the lessons you have selected and only extract the automatically marked short answer questions to create a question bank. Select how many questions you would like your students to answer. The assessment will feature an even spread of questions from each of the lessons you have selected above. Confirming the selection will provide an estimated completion time for students, after which the quantity of content can be edited. The final step is to name your task accordingly and add instructions to assist your students. Select the dates and times you would like this assessment to be available to sit. Assessment Conditions provides multiple options such as time allowed, whether you would like this to be a single or a multiple attempt assessment, and if you would like each student to receive a unique assessment. If you require an access code to start the assessment, it will generate a code that you can give to your students to input before they can begin their assessment. Full screen monitored mode can be enabled, which will notify you if your student leaves the assessment tab. There are other optional settings to select, such as the use of the calculator, text-to-speech feature, and spell checking. You can choose whether your students can see their results automatically, or they can be withheld. The targeted remediation feature will find the gaps in your students' achievement after they have sat their assessment and will automatically or manually provide a personalised feed-forward and scaffolded learning program designed to specifically target the gaps in their learning. You can limit the amount of work that students are assigned for their targeted remediation and the timeframes in which they have to complete it. Down here are your optional email settings. Click Set Assessment and your assessment is ready to go. Within these assessment settings, you have the ability to copy the direct assessment link and send it to your students, or share it to a Google Classroom. You can also message the students and reset their passwords straight from here. The Details tab on the left is where you can edit most components of the task once it has been set.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to set an assessment. Keep an eye out for our next video, which will show you how to analyse your assessment. And remember to reach out to an EP expert if you have any questions.